Welcome, sir.
So, dear delegates, welcome on board for the orientation program of the course Certified uh, Corporate Finance Analyst, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Certified Corporate Finance Analyst. That is the course for today. And today is the orientation only. And we will take around 30 minutes time. It could be even a little bit of more. We will talk about the institute details and also the course insights and course administration procedures so that everybody can understand how the course will be running. That is for our today's agenda. And I will be sharing my screen with a small presentation. And after that, we will be open for question answer from your side. So if you do have any question, we will be there to answer it. So let me share my screen first. Okay, I'm sure you can see my screen. So again, welcome once again to World Academy. Today's orientation host is World Academy. It is a UK-based professional certification and education institute, and we are assisting professionals. We are beside the professionals for their professional development. Our main motto is shaping expertise, nurturing ambitions, and elevate your potential. So, World Academy is always beside you for developing your potential. We have ISO certification. We are ISO certified organization. We have a couple of ISO certification like 1724, 41,000, 182, 21,001, and 3414. And that is the global affiliation of World Academy. Yeah, as I told earlier, we are a global professional education institute, and we are operating right now in 61 countries. Uh, we are the member for American Accreditation Association. This is one of the very prestigious association for the accredited organization. And we are also approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professional. And this course for which you are here today is also being validated by Cambridge Academy of Professional UK. And we are also approved center by ProfQual UK and approved center by Board of HR Certification UK. And also we are the provider, the recertification provider for HRCI, SHRM, and ATD. All are, HR certification institute in the world. And one of the very prestigious recognition for World Academy, that is this SHRM Academically Aligned Institute. So World Academy is one of the, renowned. Out of around 2,000 institutes in the world, 2,000 universities. Sorry, 2,000 universities have been accredited or awarded this designation, Academically Aligned Institute by SHRM, and we are the one and only institute in the world which got this recognition. And our postgraduate diploma in human resource management is being recognized by SHRM as in the level of masters. We are the accredited institute by International Professional Accreditation Council, which is a Singapore-based organization. That is a professional council which accredit or validate institutes and their courses as well. We are the member for CPD Certification Service and the partner for Singapore Training and Development Association. The partner of our institute are KPI Institute and also Academy of Business English and Communication. So these are the global affiliation of World Academy. As we told earlier, that World Academy is one of the very largest and one of the very widest professional certification institute in the world. This is the course, Certified Corporate Finance Analyst. Basically, this is a credential, not only the course. This is a credential. So this credential is being validated and quality assured by Cambridge Academy of Professional. So the certification awarding body is Cambridge Academy jointly with the World Academy. There are 8 parts of this course. Initially, you will have the pre-course assignment by tomorrow, day after, and you need to submit this pre-course assignment. Then in between there will be live online session. Then during the session you will have in-course activity or exercises, and also after the after the classes there will be post-course online exam, final exam, and in between you will also need to submit the assignment and also the capstone project as well. And once all the submission is done, then the result will be published, and after that you will be issued the digital badge and electronic certificate, and finally it will be ended up with the printed certificate. So these are the parts for this entire course. That is the digital badge you will be receiving after successful completion. The badge will be issued by World Academy and in association with the Credly. So Credly is one of the largest a digital badge issuer organization in the world, very prestigious as well. And that is the certificate you will be receiving after completion of this course. That, as I told you, this is a credential, and this credential will be conferred by Cambridge Academy of Professional and World Academy for Research and Development. You see here, Certified Corporate Finance Analyst, CCFA. So you can use this designation, professional designation, beside your name. The success story for this course: total, we have completed 3 batches so far, and also there is self-paced version. Both versions are available, class-based and self-paced. And this is the 4th batch we are going to start. Until now, 93 plus professionals have already completed CCFA, and participants from 14 countries. So that is a good history so far. And these are the institutes or organizations where our people working. You see in the banks, in NGOs, in group of companies. So in different countries, participants from different countries, from different organizations, diversified organizations, people are there to attend this CCFA program. The major features for this course or credential: 9 practical focused modules. Already you are aware about it. There are 9 modules, total 4 months duration, an online class, live online class, total 8 sessions, online exam facility. So you need to attend the exam, but that exam also online, and you will get the video tutorial, not the class recording. So we will share the video tutorial for each and every module. If anyone want, you can review that or rewatch it once again. And you will get free books and materials for this course. And you can also interact through us through the learning management system. You interact with us through learning management system. And why you need to choose Certified Corporate Finance Analyst from World Academy? Job-oriented learning. You will be receiving job-focused learning, which you can apply in the next day in your work life. Focus on competency framework. The entire course has been developed based on competency framework. Extensive practice during the course. You will be getting practices during the course. Sometimes you will receive simulation exercises for different aspects of CCFA related with this, and you will be equipped with tools and formats. An online live session, as I told earlier, as online and self-paced, both version available, so you need not to be present. Just imagine if it is a physical session, maybe some people from other countries cannot join the session. So that can gives you a very good benefits that the online live sessions are there, and global resources will conduct the session. The course administration procedure: So initially the class management, how we will manage, there will be 8 sessions I told earlier, total 8 sessions, per session 2 hours. That means 16 hours will be the class per week, one class only. So every Saturday there will be class. The class will not be happen on any other day. Class is only on the Saturday. And the timing is 2 to 4 p.m. GMT. The time we have started today, the same time the class will be starting, but it will be continued for 2 hours. And class notification you will be receiving through the WhatsApp group. There will be official WhatsApp group for this particular course, and you will be receiving all the class and exam notification through there. Class material we will share within 1 to 2 days time. Usually after the class, maybe the next day you will receive the material. In some cases, worst case scenario, it could be on the day after. And due to the trainer's emergency or natural calamities or any other national or international issues, class may be postponed and rescheduled. But as I told earlier, it will be rescheduled on other week, not any other day. So you need not to be, afraid about the days that it will be another day on a sudden. Not that it can be rescheduled, but it will be another week. Class may not be conducted with the sequence of the module. There are module sequences, module 1 to 9, but as all the modules are independent modules, so the class may not be sequentially maintained. We try to maintain it sequentially, but some cases due to the trainer's availability, it can be, rearranged. And all the materials we will be sharing through the learning management system. You will receive, those who have already completed the enrollment, they will receive the YouTube channel, and you will find that how to operate the learning management system. So all the materials will be there to receive by you. And attendance will be recorded. So during the session, please use your full name so that system can detect your attendance. That is very, very important. So we will be recording the attendance. So all are requested to keep yourself with a full name, not any device name or other thing, so that attendance cannot be recorded. The assessment part, how we can administer the assessment. There will be 3 parts of the assessment. One is module-wise assignment. So there will be 3 module-wise assignment. You need to submit this assignment. There will be final exam after all the modules have been completed, and there will be capstone project. That is a final assignment or capstone project. You need to submit it at the end of the course. So these are the 3 parts. So let's have a detail on this. The exam, final exam, there will be 50 multiple choice question and 1 hour time. The total time is 1 hour and 60 minutes. And each question will have two marks. So total marks is 100 and qualifying marks is 70%. For the assignment part, one is pre-course assignment. As I told earlier, that is only for the learning purposes. There is no relation with this pre-course assignment with the assessment part. So that is it. That is only the learning purposes. And module-wise assignment, 3 module-wise assignment you need to submit, and that contains 100 marks each. So for each part, you will be assessed, and altogether you need to qualify. You need to attain 210 marks out of 300 to qualify this section. And then the final assignment or capstone project, it contains 300 marks, and you need to acquire 210 again for qualifying. So that is the scoring framework. Pre-course, there is no marks available. Module-wise assignment, 3 units, 100 marks each. Total, the passing mark is 70%. Final exam, 50 MCQ questions, 100 marks. 70% is qualifying marks, and capstone project, 300 marks, and qualifying marks is again 70%. And you need to qualify all these 3 sections separately. The course, the continued about the course assessment part, opportunity to attend the makeup exam. So if you suppose there is a scheduled exam date, if in any case you miss the exam or you cannot qualify in the exam, then you will get the second chance. makeup exam, to attend the makeup exam free at cost. You need not to pay anything else. But for any other further attempt, I mean third onwards attempt, you need to pay the exam fee. The electronic certificate you will receive within 10 to 14 working days after the grades are published. Once the result is published, you will receive the electronic certificate within 10 to 14 working days and the digital badge at the same time. So electronic certificate and digital badge you will receiving through email within 10 to 14 working days after the result published. But the printed certificate, it takes little time. So we usually distribute 3 times in a year. Suppose in January, in April, and in September. So the course, if your course is completed by March, the result is already published by March, then you will receive the your certificate will be issued to you on April. If it is completed in April, then you need to wait till September because of the next slot. So that is still now the mechanism is 3 times in a year we are sending the certificates. The printed one, of course, but the digital or electronic certificate will be receiving within 10 to 14 working days after the grades are published. Okay, and these all the dates are subject to the successful completion of including the makeup exam. These are the modules for this course. Just have a look on this. Introduction to Corporate Finance. So under this module, you will be learning the details of corporate finance, the very essential part of the corporate finance, how you can manage the financial parts in the corporate organizations and also the NGOs as well. In module 2, understanding the financial statement, there are different parts of the statement. So how can you understand, how can you read the statement? That will be discussed in module 2. Which part contains what, which part interprets what? That will be in the module 2. In module 3, analyzing the income statement. So how can you analyze the income statement? Right? Make sure this is an analytical part, analyzing the income statement, not the preparation. So after preparation, you need to have some sort of financial decisions or business decisions based on your analysis. The business decisions will be taken. So how can you analyze the income statement, analyzing the balance sheet, and analyzing the cash flow statement? So these are the 3 separate components of the entire financial statements, and you will be learning how to analyze this. And then module 6, sources and forms of financing. What are the sources and what are the forms of financing? Module 7, cost of capital and capital structure. So how can you develop your capital structure and what are the costs? How can you reduce it? What are the components which can affect the cost? Then module 8, capital budgeting and investment decision. So in this module, you'll be learning that how you can take the investment decisions, which one is more suitable, which one is more feasible for your project or for your organization. That will be discussed in module 8 and in module 9, merger and acquisition, with very advanced level part, this one. So if you get any chance for being a part of the merger and acquisition for any organization, you can have a thorough understanding about it and the confidence on that, so that you can play a role for this merger and acquisition. There are a couple of things you need to consider while you are going for the merger and acquisition, so that will be discussed in module 9. Now you can understand that in this credential CCFA that is fully focusing on the analytical part. Initially, some sort of concepts are there, but at the middle stage, or even though after the first module, from the third onwards, your analytical parts and decision making parts comes in. So that will be a very, very professional course. So anyone who have successfully completed this course, they have a confidence as a CFO or head of finance or head of the section, and have a very good confidence on themselves for contributing to the business decision through analyzing the financial data. And you can also contact us through email, through learning management system, and through WhatsApp as well. So thank you very much for your patience listening. And of course, thank you very much for joining the program. Now it's open for you people. If you have any question regarding course administration, in assessment, or course insights. Any questions so far from anyone else? If you have question, you need to unmute yourself and then you need to talk. Yes, of course. This is a paid course for sure.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, I think you are very clear, very concise to the point, and I think this is a good course, which I may look forward towards pursuing in the future, because I
Thank you.
believe to be able to learn my skills.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Yeah. One question in the what do you mean by makeup? Makeup exam means if someone could not attend the scheduled exam or failed, could not pass, then they can attend the makeup exam. That is called makeup exam. One notification for you that the class will be starting from 22, right? So 21. 21 December, the first class will be 21 December. The cost of this course, Nazmul, what is the cost for this course? 390, sorry, 460. Nazmul, can you hear?
Sir, my internet is broken. That's why I'm not able to understand. Sir, I think you
What
are
is the
asking
course
for the
fee?
price. Okay,
Yes,
okay. 425 for this batch only.
425. So for this
Yes, sir.
batch, 425 US dollar. The class will be starting from 21 December, the first class. So if you feel that the course is really worthy for the professional, the humble submission, we have shared the flyer, updated flyer in the chat box. You can download it and you can share through your timeline in the Facebook and LinkedIn so that your friends and networks will be aware about this course and they can also take part of this course so that it will be a good opportunity for all of us to attend this. All right. So is there any other question from anyone else? If not, we can conclude. I think no other question. All right. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Make
This
the
is
first
Sharif.
payment. The
This
first
is
payment.
Sharif. Hello?
Sorry.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes. Please proceed.
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Uh, I just like to ask you a question. That is, what is the passing rate of your course? And do you have experienced any participant leaving the class in the middle?
Till now, so far, we don't have that sort of experience that participants are leaving in between. And there are there are the passing rate is till now 100%, but in the first attempt, it was around 80, 84, 85% so far. And the second attempt, they made it happen.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. The payment methods, yes, you can pay in two installment. In two installment, you can pay. The first installment you need to pay before commencing the course, so that you need to pay before that. During the enrollment period. All right. So if you do not have any other question, we can conclude it here today. Thank you once again for joining us. And thanks a lot for patience learning, patience hearing to me. Hope to see you on any other day. The price is 425 US dollar. 425 US dollar. You can pay in two installment. Half of the course you need to pay before starting, and the rest you need to pay 1 month later. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much once again, and good night from my side. Take care. Bye.